Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to track an order from Verizon. It's very easy and simple to do that. Okay, so all you need to do is go ahead and come here, right, on the Verizon website, or you can open up the mobile app. Just log into your Verizon account, navigate to the orders section, and just select the order you wish to track. And then there you can view the order details, including the tracking number. Okay, now you can click on that tracking number to view the status of your order. Really that easy and simple. What you can also do is track that order via email and SMS. They do send you, real-time updates on the status of your order. Okay, so you just need to sign up for those notifications. Simply provide your email address and phone number during the checkout process, and then you can also manage your notification preferences by logging into your Verizon account and selecting the notification tab. So it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.